Unsurprisingly, the details of Kevin Durant's off-season plans are kept under wraps. However, it appears that the current Phoenix Sun has spent some time developing a new narrative-focused version of his Nike KD18. Although the sneaker doesn't specifically mention Seat Pleasant, an official item description that Elden Monitors was able to obtain verifies the association with the region east of Washington, D.C. Additionally, the hyper-royal, sail, neon yellow color scheme of the pair alludes to the Air Humara, another popular sneaker in the DMV area. With the upcoming release echoing the silhouette's photo blue style last seen in 2018, Durant's KD18 design team has confirmed on record that the design cues are taken from the 1997 classic. Look forward to the official Nike KD18 Seat Pleasant look. The pair that Durant debuted on the court in March is anticipated to be available on Nike.com around June 1, 2025.